My name is Hayan.
My name is Enzo.
And we're from Band B7. Our mates came out to our studio and were knocking on the door saying that they have a problem. They were giving these kind of bubbles, but when they opened it to use them, they had no sticks inside, so they can't blow bubbles. So we came up with an idea that we could use an app named Maker's Empire.
This is our video diary of our solution of their problem.
We are designing a star-shaped bubble stick for purple 6 and 4, and we are going to make it tough because children have a habit of breaking things sometimes. Both of our mates like blue, so we have to make it whatever they like.
After brainstorming many ideas, we came up with the thought of making a star-shaped bubble wand, but it didn't really work out for us. Bubbles weren't really made with the small holes. We thought we could make a different design. We made a popsicle bubble wand with bigger holes. So we moved on, and this time we thought we'd go and visit our mates and ask for a shape that actually they would like. The majority of them said that they want a heart-shaped bubble wand.
We completed a risk assessment and decided to move the 3D printer to our studio.
I made a little one, like it wasn't working, but it was looking good. Then I made another big one. It's so cool.